Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Google Analytics on your website using Lovable AI. So as you can see, I'm now in my analytics. So I need to get the measurement ID. So that's the process, how to get the measurement ID right there. So you copy that and then you go to your Lovable AI dashboard. I use Lovable to build my website. This website is really new. I just created it almost 3 weeks ago, and I'm so new to Lovable, but I am really impressed of this product, and so I want to share it with you. So all you have to do is just add this text. Please add Google Analytics in my website with the ID measurement. So you just paste the ID measurement right there that you copied, or I copied, and so then Lovable is going to work or do the work for you. This is really an amazing platform. I'm just really impressed. I'm not an affiliate or something. I'm really new to this, and using this kind of tool really makes my life easier, especially in building or creating a website, because I'm a visual designer. I'm also a website designer, and I just like this because it saves me tons of time and energy in designing the website. The important thing is just how to get the right prompt. And so I use ChatGPT and Claude AI to help me generate the prompt. And yes, I really created the website with the help of Lovable AI, a website that really looks professional. It's just my brand. So there you go. It's working now for me here, and it's just a couple of few seconds, and then it's done. And all you have to do here now is to just publish what I did here is refresh the site, but publish it so that you can view it in another tab, in the external tab, not in the Lovable. And after that, to show you if it really is working, we need to go to the Google Analytics platform so we can see if somebody has already viewed in real time, and I'll show you that in a while. So it's updating now. This is already published to the public, so you can just check my website and give me your feedback. So let's go to Google Analytics. As you can see, I already have 3 active users. That's because I opened 3 tabs. So let's do it today. Check it out. That's Italy. That's me. And I opened 2 tabs right now here. And yeah, so it really is working. And I'm just so happy that Lovable AI has successfully installed my Google Analytics ID measurement. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Lovable AI is really lovable, amazing, really good tool. So talk to you soon. Ciao.